Fast food giant Jack in the Box has announced plans to close up to 200 of its locations as part of a significant financial restructuring effort. The company explained that these closures are intended to enhance overall operations and support long-term growth. Between 80 and 120 locations are scheduled to close by the end of 2025 in a phased shutdown plan. Further closures will occur gradually as current franchise agreements expire. CEO Lance Tucker has announced that the company is initiating measures to enhance its financial standing. This involves concentrating on streamlining operations, closing down underperforming restaurants, and bolstering its balance sheet. The Jack on Track initiative is designed to enhance the company's financial well-being. It focuses on reducing debt, selling real estate assets, and increasing operational efficiency. This strategy is intended to bolster long-term performance and ensure a more stable financial future. Jack in the Box is revising its business strategy by transitioning to an asset-light model. The company intends to sell its owned real estate and reduce expenditures on opening new company-owned restaurants. This strategic shift is designed to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. The company intends to concentrate less on constructing new locations and will instead redirect its efforts toward upgrading its current restaurants. This initiative is designed to enhance the customer experience by modernizing and improving existing spaces. Jack in the Box is contemplating the sale of Del Taco, a fast food chain it acquired in 2022 for $575 million. This decision is a component of the company's broader efforts to restructure and explore new strategies for its business operations. Del Taco has encountered challenges in keeping pace with larger competitors like Taco Bell, which achieved record profits in 2024. This underperformance underscores the difficulties that smaller chains experience when competing with industry leaders. In the second quarter of 2025, Jack in the Box saw a 4.4% decrease in same-store sales. Similarly, its subsidiary Del Taco experienced a 3.6% decline in sales during this period. The company has announced that proceeds from real estate sales, along with the cessation of certain dividends, will be allocated to reduce debt and enhance cash flow. Jack in the Box is charting a new path with a strategic plan focused on enhancing its financial health and streamlining operations. These changes are intended to build a stronger foundation for the company's long-term growth and success. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/@thecoconutmama for more.